Okay, y'all. So this is a DIY project that I'm doing on the top part of my cabinet. Hey. My sound, but this video is a DIY project of me working on the top parts of my cabinets using this sweet moss grass that I picked up at my local Walmart, and some cardboard, little pieces of cardboard and cardboard boxes to come up with this look. So you don't have to buy so many plants, to try to fill this little area up here. I just don't like that bare look. To fill this little area up, I'm gonna show you a new way to make it cute. All right. And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, join the bell, and share this video. Leave us a comment on your thoughts on this. Is this something that you would actually try in your home? Yeah. Okay. So I'm not adding anything on the side. I just, this is the blessed portion of it. So that's what we have right here. Just like on this side. Okay, let's continue. Okay, so I have added the Happy Home up there, Happy Home piece, and I just added those 2 little plants, $5 little artificial plants that I got from Target. So I'm getting ready to start on, and this is the grass that I have left out of that last little packet of, what is it called? Sweet moss, out of the sweet moss. So I'm getting ready to use this. Okay, so I don't know what keeps happening as I'm trying to record, but this is the second little box. So what I did was I just stuffed the pieces of grass. Wow. I just stuffed the pieces of grass into the little pocket, this little pocket area right here, as you can see. And then I'm just gonna glue this on top and place a piece of grass covering it, so that looks more so like a rock. Guys, so this is the finished product of this side. I may get another plant like this to go right here. I don't know yet, but or maybe I can alternate. I really like those, so I might get another one. But this is this side. And I might put the little one back here and then get one more of these and put it over here. But this is it. It's simple. Simple little top cabinet DIY. This was under $50. And I still have a little bit of grass left over. So cute and simple.